Mealtime shouldn't take over your entire day, and here to help us make our kitchens work for us is Chef George Duran with new ways of cooking that saves time while still being delicious. Hi, Chef.
Hey there! As a chef and a father of two, I'm always looking for ways to serve healthier and better tasting meals as quickly as possible. So today I've partnered up with Brava, and it's going to change the way you cook. The Brava harnesses the power of infrared, known as pure light technology. It's wicked fast because it has infrared bulbs that fire at different frequencies and directly transfers heat through light energy, convection, and direct heat, which means super fast cooking and no preheating required. It cuts your cooking time significantly to spend more time with your loved ones. How about this perfectly cooked margarita pizza or a mouth-watering portobello mushroom burger? Actually, these recipes were taken from the over 300 chefs tested and programmed recipes to help you cook at the touch of a button. Just find a recipe on their app or their website, prep it, place it in the Brava, and push the button. The Brava knows exactly what you're cooking and how long and what temperature to perfectly cook it for. It even has a built-in temp sensor thermometer probe to cook meats to your preferred doneness. By the way, you can always manually toast, reheat, bake, sear, even air fry in the Brava. And by the way, there's no glass door there. This keeps the oven cool on the outside, making it safe for your kids to use. The coolest part is that you can still see what's in your oven when it's cooking, thanks to a built-in oven cam that displays a live feed of your food on the touchscreen or directly onto your app right there in your living room. Believe it or not, you can cook a whole meal on just one pan. Place the different kinds of foods on each zone on the pan. It separately cooks each ingredient on each one of those zones automatically, making sure nothing is under or overcooked. For example, I made the salmon on the same tray as the asparagus. The salmon seared and cooked to juicy precision, while the delicate asparagus is still crisp, flavorful, perfectly roasted. You can make pretty much anything in it. In fact, my kids often help me bake and make desserts like these chocolate chip cookies or an apple crostata, all found on the app and perfectly cooked at the press of a button. For more information, visit brava.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Chef.